Impactful dentistry begins with education. At Ultradent, we are committed to improving oral health globally, and that starts with delivering hands-on training to dental professionals like you. Our new Leenie Fischer Training Center is designed to help you expand your knowledge, skills, and confidence so you can deliver outstanding patient care. Fully equipped with cutting-edge technology and the latest dental equipment, the Leenie Fischer Training Center is a dedicated, well-equipped, and familiar environment that allows dental professionals to fully engage with our products, ask in-depth questions, and gain practical experience.
Education has always been the foundation of dentistry. Long before the latest technology and tools, dentistry was and still is a profession rooted in both science and skilled handwork. Dentists and hygienists don't just learn by reading textbooks. We learn by doing. Every restoration, every technique, every material must be felt, practiced, and mastered with our hands. That's why hands-on learning has always been the core of dental education, and it's also why it's been so important to us as a company from the very beginning. Our first product, Ultradent, was the perfect example. Understanding how to use it effectively required more than just instruction. It required experience. From the first product to everything we develop today, we've never lost sight of the importance of education, not just as knowledge, but as something tangible, something taught through the hands as much as through the mind. We are proud to support and promote the kind of learning that makes better dentistry possible.
With this space and our renewed focus, we're not just teaching, we're empowering clinicians and elevating the standards of care through hands-on learning.